Bonjour. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel flepourlezexperts. I am Chitwan Bindal and here I am today launching my new YouTube video series Apprenons le Français 2. So I'm going to use the CBSE textbook Apprenons le Français 2 and here we are. So let's start with the first Leçon 1. And here we are today to talk about the body and face parts of human body in French. Here is what you're going to find in this video. A quick revision of article défini, masculine and feminine gender concept of French, body parts, face parts, and a quick interactive exercise based on the lesson learned. And lastly, if you have any questions and concerns, please do comment on the video and I would ensure that I get back to you at the earliest. Part 1. Voilà le frère et la sœur de Manuel. So what's a definite article? A definite article is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. And what are the definite articles in English? It's the. Now we call them articles définis in French. And in English, a noun has no gender. That means it is neutral. And it is not classified as masculine and feminine. But in our Indian national language, Hindi, we do have this concept of gender in nouns. Really? I never knew about it. Oh, I bet you already knew about this. It's just like you don't realize. Let's take a quick revision about it. मेरा चश्मा बहुत अच्छा है. Chashma. So chashma is masculine in Hindi. So whether it is a girl who's saying this sentence or a boy saying this sentence, the chashma, the word chashma in Hindi will remain as masculine. And now let us see a quick example of a feminine word in Hindi. मेरी पुस्तक काली है. So pustak means a book. So pustak is always feminine. Now whether it is a girl or a boy saying this line, it's always going to be feminine. Now the same way there are genders for French words, masculine or feminine. And now in article défini, if you want to use definite article in French for a word which is masculine, we use le, L-E, le. And if it is about a word which is feminine, then we will use article défini la, L-A, la. Now what happens if a word starts with a vowel in French? A vowel means A, I, O, U, H, and Y. So any noun starting with a vowel, be it masculine or feminine, we will use L apostrophe. L apostrophe. And how about the nouns which are in plural form? For them, we are going to use les, L-E-S, les. So, all the French body parts in this lesson have a gender in front of them. And that's why we will find an article défini, le, la, L apostrophe, in front of each noun. And there are some body parts like hair, eyebrows, which are always found in plural. So we use les, L-E-S, in front of them. Now if you're ready to learn the body parts, let's start with learning the body parts. La tête, head. La tête, that means head. Le cou, neck. La poitrine. La poitrine. Chest. L'estomac. Stomach. L'estomac. Stomach. La main. The hand. La main. The hand. Le genou. Le genou. Knee. Les orteils. Les orteils. Toes. Le pied. Feet. Le pied. Feet. Les cheveux. Hair. Les cheveux. Hair. L'épaule. Shoulder. L'épaule. Shoulder. Le bras. Arms. Le bras. Arms. Le coude. Elbow. Le coude. La hanche. Back. La hanche. Back. Les doigts. Fingers. Les doigts. Fingers. La cuisse. Thigh. La cuisse. Thigh. La jambe. Legs. La jambe. Legs. So let me give you a quick tip how to learn the body parts. To remember, when we were kids, we were always being taught, oh, this is head. By pointing out at your own body part, you used to learn this is hair, this is chin, this is thigh, this is feet. In the same way, rather than mugging up the word to word, or like French to English or English to French, here is how I will suggest. Look at your body parts and point them out in the corresponding body part in French, the corresponding word in French. For example, right now I'm touching my head. I'm going to say la tête. While I'm touching my neck, I'll say le cou. While I'm touching my thigh, I'll say la cuisse. And if it's about legs, I will say la jambe. Now let us move on to the next part of this lesson, les différentes parties du visage, the different parts of face. Le visage, the face. Le front, forehead. Le front. Les cils, eyelashes. Les cils, eyelashes. L'oreille, ear. L'oreille, ear. Les lèvres, lips. Les lèvres. Le menton. Le menton, chin. Le cou, neck. Le cou, neck. Les cheveux, hair. Les cheveux. Les sourcils, eyebrows. Les sourcils, eyebrows. Les yeux, eyes. Les yeux. Now, it's a very weird thing, but this is how it goes. If you want to say a single eye, then you are going to say l'œil. How do you call a single eye? L'œil. Yes. Le, les yeux, eyes. L'œil, eye. Le nez, nose. Le nez, nose. La joue, cheek. La joue. La bouche, mouth. La bouche, mouth. Les dents, teeth. Les dents. Now, a quick revision here. F. Why F is written in the bracket in front of the word les dents? Because it is feminine. Now let us do a quick test. The links of all of these exercises are equally provided in the description. So let us try to name the different body parts of Buzz Lightyear. Exercise 1. Écrivez les noms de différentes parties de Buzz Lightyear. Now, number 1 is head. What do you call head? Sorry, not the head, the hair. Les cheveux. Now, number 2 is neck. How do you call as neck? Le cou. Number 3 is chest. You'll say la poitrine. Number 4 is la main, the hand. Number 5, stomach, l'estomac. Number 6, le genou, knee. Number 7 is toes, les orteils. Number 8, le pied, feet. Now, moving on to the next exercise, we will try to name the different body parts of Woody. Écrivez les noms de différentes parties de Woody. Number 1 is hair. Sorry, the head, la tête. Number 2, l'épaule. L'épaule is shoulder. Number 3 is arms. How do you call arms in French? Le bras. Number 4 is elbow. How do you call the elbow? Le coude. Number 5, the back, la hanche. Number 6 are fingers, les doigts. Number 7 are thigh, la cuisse. Number 8 is legs. Oh, I'm forgetting this answer. That's okay. It always happens that when you're learning something for the first time, it's not important that you are able to get it in the first go. So do not hesitate to go through the lesson again and learn, go through it over again. And also, if any time I used to forget a word, I will still stick to the traditional approach of writing the word 5 to 10 times. So don't hesitate to follow this. Number 8, okay, it was, how do you call as leg? As la jambe. Now, write the names of different parts of Melissa's face. So now I leave this exercise to you, and please try this at your own pace. And here are the answers. Merci! Thank you everyone for listening to this episode. And in the next episode, we will continue with Leçon 1, the first lesson of Apprenons le Français 2. And we will revise the basic verbs être, avoir, and aller. We'll also learn the tricks of conjugating ER ending verbs. For any questions, please contact us at flepourlezexperts@gmail.com. And if you like this video, please do subscribe us on the social media. Merci, au revoir.